how do you stay competitive ngayon?
Ako, honestly, Tito Boy, I really believe that we have to show our uniqueness. Because that's the only way you can be competitive.
Equity, no?
Diba? Kasi if naniniwala tayo na iba't ibang tao, iba't ibang artist, kapag gumaya tayo, I think that will be our downfall.
Right.
Number 2 is you really have to be the best at your craft. Kumbaga, you have to do better every single time. Hindi ka pwede mag-relax. Diba? Ako yun ang naiisip ko.
For
Ganda.
me, it's to pour out more of your humanity to whatever craft you're doing. Yung talagang hindi ka na mag-hold back pa. Parang you're not gonna cater to a mold. You're not gonna, you're just gonna pour yourself out talaga. Dati kasi, alam mo yun, parang meron tayong mga ideas of how songs should sound like or what the songs should include or the lyrics should be. Ngayon, more than ever, connection. Connection for me, yung pinaka-kailangan.
It's very tempting to blend. Lalo na pag masyado kang connected sa trends, no?
Yeah.
Ito ang tunog ngayon. Ito ngayon ang tinatangkilik.
Yeah.
So, to get out of it sometimes is very, very difficult. Pero gusto ko yung attitude na ito tayo ngayong araw na ito, maganda ang ating trabaho. But to be better the next time you do it is really a journey. Gusto ko yun. Like, how are you today? I'm better than yesterday.
Yes.
Diba? Kumusta ang concert mo ngayon? Kaya you always look forward to the next one.
Yes.
I love that. Yung ang sarap pag-isipan, ika nga. I miss your mom.
Yeah,
I miss mommy. Ano ang papel naman ng music? I'll end here. Ano naman ang papel ng music pagdating sa pain?
Release. It's release. It's saying the things that you can't say. Yung parang minsan wala kang words talaga eh. Only the music will say that.
Yeah.
Yeah. I remember with my mom when she was on her deathbed na. Nasabi naman na namin lahat that we wanted to tell her. Pero nung time na yun, parang I resorted to music to help us through that difficult moment and to, I don't know, like pay tribute to her na she wanted to hear yung mga songs that she wanted to hear. Yun yung kakantahin ko. Yun yung panghatid ko sa kanya to the next
life. Yeah.
The next life.
Icicle.
Same with City, Tito Boy. Kasi ako, I'm very stoic talaga. Especially when I'm really feeling so many things. Mahirap akong mag-release eh. So, through music, I remember when my mom passed away, it's through songs na alam kong favorite niya. Doon ako nakakaiyak. Doon ako.